Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to do the Proteus simulation of a model in which we'll interface Arduino with the 16x2 LCD. So first of all we'll see the pin configuration. So this is the pin configuration of the LCD and these are the functions of the different pins and the labels mentioned here. Now we'll see the connection. This is how we'll make the connections, and I have written the same connection in the form of words, so you will better understand this when I'll do the connections in Proteus and do the simulation there. So we'll proceed to the simulation part. So as you can see here, I have opened a untitled page of ISIS Professional. So now first of all, before making the connection, we need to add the elements which we'll need for our simulation purpose. So for this, select on this P. So search here whatever you need. First of all, we need Arduino. Select this one and then click OK. Second thing we'll need is LCD. So this one is 16x2 LM016L. So we'll select this one. Third thing we require is potentiometer. So we'll select this one, pot HG. Fourth which we require is resistor. So first of all we'll take this Arduino, keep it here, LCD, so how we need to make the connections is, first of all we need to connect the third terminal with this main point, and we need to select one source and ground. So this will act as a source and this will act as ground. So this first pin we need to connect to ground, and this second pin we need to connect to source. This fourth pin will connect to 12th pin of Arduino. Fifth pin will connect to ground, so we'll give a ground separately here and we'll connect it with this one. Then sixth pin will connect with 11th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th we need not to connect it. Then 11th pin we need to connect with 5th pin of Arduino. 12th with 4th, 13th with 3rd, and the 14th pin with 2nd. So this is the overall connection. So in the figure I have shown 15th and 16th pin also, so that are not available here. So for in that case practically we need to connect the 15th pin with supply and 16th pin with ground. So now we need to dump the code in this. So here I have written one code, this code. So for this, first we need to verify it. So the code is correct. I have done the compiling. So what we need to do is we need to copy this link. See this one. Be careful that you have to select that one in which .hex is written. This is the location of the file. So we'll copy it from here and then we'll double click on this and paste it here. Then select OK. Now we will simulate it. So for simulating, we'll click on this button and now you can see that it's showing projects made easy. I've written the code for this one. So for displaying something else, we have to write different code for that. And for the coding part, I'll make another video. So you can using that code, you can do any of the code, print any of the words according to your will. So please share, subscribe and like this video for future updates.